Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You already have a project. Now create two files named index, HTML and about, HTML in the same folder. Open both in your editor so you can edit side by side. Once done, add basic HTML skeletons including head and body so links have targets. Make sure file names match case exactly and avoid spaces. Save both files, then open index HTML in your browser to confirm the starting page loads before you write any links. Now switch to index HTML and insert an anchor tag where you want navigation, a href equals about. HTML about /a. You do this because href points the browser to the other file. Relative paths keep links portable. If files are in subfolders, use / or / accordingly. Once done, save and click the link in the browser to verify navigation. If you want the page to open in a new tab, add target equals blank. But remember that affects user flow. Finish by testing links across browsers and paths. Navigate from index HTML to about, HTML and back. If the link fails, inspect the browser console and network panel for 404 or path errors so you can see what file the browser requested. Make sure href matches file name and relative path uses correct slashes. One key troubleshooting tip: if you see a 404, recheck case sensitivity and folder names. On many servers, case matters. Correct that and reload to confirm the.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.